Ever pondered why gold, a shiny yellow metal from the depths of Earth, has been a coveted asset across civilizations, while paper money, a relatively recent invention, is often viewed with skepticism? Gold, an element with the symbol Au, has been a symbol of wealth and power since the dawn of civilization. It's not simply because it's beautiful or rare. Gold has tangible, inherent value. Let's delve into the reasons why gold often outshines paper money. First and foremost, gold is a tangible asset. You can touch it, feel it, and see it. It's not a piece of paper or a number on a screen. It's a physical commodity that has been used for centuries as a universal measure of wealth. On the other hand, paper money, or fiat currency as it's technically known, is a government-issued currency that isn't backed by a physical commodity like gold. Instead, the value of paper money comes from the trust and confidence people have in the government that issues it. But what happens when that trust wanes? History provides plenty of examples. In the early 20th century, Germany experienced hyperinflation so severe that people literally used banknotes as wallpaper because it was cheaper than actual wallpaper. In recent years, countries like Zimbabwe and Venezuela have experienced similar situations. Now consider gold. Its value doesn't depend on the whims of governments or the stability of economies. It's a finite resource that requires significant effort to mine and refine, which contributes to its enduring value. Moreover, gold has maintained its purchasing power over the long term. In the late 19th century, an ounce of gold could buy a fine gentleman's suit. Fast forward to today, and an ounce of gold can still buy a high-quality suit. Can the same be said for the value of paper money over the same period? Not quite. Additionally, gold is a hedge against inflation. When inflation rises, the value of paper money falls, but the value of gold typically goes up. This is because gold is priced in paper money, and as the value of paper money falls, the price of gold naturally rises. In essence, gold is a time-tested store of value that has survived economic downturns, wars, and political instability. It's a tangible, finite resource that can't be printed at will. On the other hand, paper money is a relatively recent invention that relies on trust in governments and economies. It's susceptible to inflation and can lose value rapidly in times of economic instability. So, to sum up, gold has a tangible presence. It's finite, it has held its purchasing power over centuries, and it provides a hedge against inflation. Paper money, while convenient and widely accepted, is subject to inflation and depends on the stability of governments. So, while paper money has its place in the economy, when it comes to preserving wealth over the long term, gold seems to have the edge. And that, friends, is why gold often outshines paper money.